Our world's sewer systems are under more pressure than ever. Systems are aging. Urbanization and climate change are putting more stress on sewer systems. Fat, oil, grease, tree roots, and so-called unflushables like wet wipes and diapers pose a serious threat for our drains. To safeguard public health, thousands of sewer cleaning professionals around the world rely on Rioned's innovative drain cleaning systems to overcome their toughest challenges day in and day out. Our wide range of solutions includes spring machines, high-pressure jetting machines, jet vac combination units, and advanced inspection and detection systems. For over 60 years, Rioned has been developing and producing these innovations from its headquarters in Tilburg, the Netherlands. Our skilled and experienced team of technicians takes pride in building a perfect machine every time. Rioned's cutting-edge technologies are designed to meet the latest industry and emission standards. All design, manufacturing, and test facilities are managed in-house to ensure the best results. Each product goes through a rigorous battery of tests before it goes out the door. On its way to one of our European sales offices or to our worldwide distribution network to continue their journey to the customer. Once there, our global service network provides reliable support you can count on. Rioned, keeping your business flowing.